In here I have different types of berries. I got it from the supermarket, and here I have the mix berries, strawberries, blackberries, raspberry, any kind of berries you can think of. They are all frozen preserved berries. So I'll go off camera and wash all these berries, give them a rinse, and the other ingredients we'll be needing in this video is just the condensed milk with brown sugar. So I have given all my berries a rinse, and I'll be using my food processor for this ice cream. You might choose to use your blender or hand mixer, any of your choice, will be easier for you. So welcome back to Gracefully EUT. Welcome back all my returning subscribers. To my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed and you are coming across my video for the first time, please hit on the subscribe buttons and click on the first notification bell. This enables you get notified each time I upload a new video. To my new returning subscribers, you are the MVP. Thank you so much for keeping me going. Without you, the Gracefully EUT's channel is nothing. So I will go ahead adding all my berries to my food processor, and then I'm gonna let that give a smooth and proper blend and mix thoroughly. While that is mixing, I'll add in my brown sugar condensed milk. You can add this as desired to your own taste. So I'm adding a cup of 1 brown sugar condensed milk, homemade. If you haven't checked the video of how I make my condensed milk, the video link will be on the description box of this video, and it will also be on the iCard above this video. Just take a look at that. The color is so beautiful, it's so attractive, and it's looking delicious. You want to make sure you give that a proper blend to give that nice, smooth, and proper mix of the condensed milk and the berries. As you can see, there are still some berries out there, so it's still blending and just to get that smooth blend. And I will be adding my strawberry flavor. You can choose to add any flavor of your choice, but because I'm dealing with more of strawberry, or let me say mixed berries, so I'm adding 2 teaspoons of strawberry flavor just to enhance the flavor of the ice cream. You can actually consume this immediately after blending or after using your food processor. That is one good thing about using frozen fruits or frozen berries for your ice cream. After blending to my satisfaction, look at that. Look at that. Tell me you don't feel like just licking the screen right now. So I'm just gonna transfer that into my bowl, and then you can actually consume this right now. Look, the consistency, it's amazing. It's so amazing. The color, the flavor, just look at that. So I'll just transfer that into my bowl because I don't want to consume it now, and then I'll place it back into my freezer. And you know I love scooping my ice cream, right? So for the purpose of scooping, I will be freezing this ice cream and putting it in my freezer, and then I will be freezing it for just like 4 hours because the berries were already frozen before I processed them. So I will just freeze the ice cream for 4 hours, and then we'll be right back. People in the street, we ain't gotta live in no shame, we ain't gotta live in no pain, because God can transform you. He make it sunny like California. If you don't know where to go. So after 4 hours of freezing, this is what our ice cream looks like, and I'm just gonna scoop. So this is the end result. If you like this video, give the video a thumbs up, share to all your social media platforms, your WhatsApp status, your WhatsApp contacts, your Instagram. Share this healthy and easy ice cream for the season. So until next video, stay blessed and stay safe. Bye.